again, we're going to take another look at how language works together with root words and affixes and suffixes and prefixes. This lesson we're going to focus mostly on root words. And root words are essentially a set of letters that have meaning. Affixes are added to the root words to create new words, and as you are aware, root words can be at the beginning or the middle or the end of a word. It doesn't necessarily have a set place within the body of a word. And root words are mostly Greek or Latin. And you may be wondering, why do I need to learn Greek or Latin? But the reason that you need to learn this is because once you learn what these words, these basic root words mean, then that will expand your vocabulary and it will help as you are reading and writing. It just helps you figure out words that you don't recognize a lot easier all on your own. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. So here's our root word ject, J-E-C-T. Now you may be thinking, well, that's not a word, but it actually is. It's a root word that means throw. Now if we were to make a word that you're more familiar with, we need to add a suffix or a prefix. So we're going to add a prefix to this word. So we're going to make it project. And you probably know what project means. It could mean to throw forward or to make your voice a little louder. It just means it to go forward in a positive way. That's what project means. Let's take a look at another one. This word is duct, D-U-C-T, D-U-C-T, and it means to lead or to pull. Now we're going to make a word out of this root word, so let's get started. First, we're going to add a prefix. We're going to have ab, which means away from. So right now we have abduct. That's what we got. Now we're going to add a suffix to this word, ed, abducted. So if we know what each of these elements mean, then we can probably figure out what the whole entire definition means. So ab means away from, duct to lead or pull, and then it's past tense. So we can essentially say that abducted means you're pulled away from or you're led away from something. And we can write this in a sentence as well. So the boy was abducted in the park. So we know that the boy was essentially led away from the park. Okay? All right, now let's take a look at these two examples. Now it's going to be up to you to pick which one is the right one. So what your job right now, take a look at these two words and tell me which one of these words is the one that has an affix in it.
Okay.
A prefix or a suffix, but which one do you think it is?
It's a prefix.
Okay, you're right. It's bicycle. It has a prefix on it. So what I would like you to do now is try and find some